The DoorDash Red Card is a prepaid Visa card that enables Dashers to pay for orders at restaurants that don't have integrated payment systems with DoorDash. Upon approval as a Dasher, you'll receive your Red Card within 1 to 2 weeks. However, digital activation may be available sooner in some areas while you wait for the physical card. To activate your Red Card, open the Dasher app and navigate to Account, then select Red Card. This is where you'll complete the entire activation process. Next, you'll need to enter your 16-digit card number and security code. Then take clear photos of both the front and back of your Red Card for verification purposes. Finally, ensure that your personal information matches your account details exactly. This verification step is crucial for successful activation and typically takes under 5 minutes to complete, thanks to recent system improvements. When activating your DoorDash Red Card, you may encounter several common errors. Here are the most frequent issues and their solutions. The most common error is card number not recognized. This usually happens when digits are entered incorrectly or the card is too new to be in the system. To fix this, first double-check that you've entered all 16 digits correctly. Look carefully at each number, especially if the card appears worn or damaged. If the card was just received, wait 24 to 48 hours before trying again, as new cards need time to activate in the system. Another frequent issue is photo verification failure. This occurs when the app cannot clearly read your card details from the uploaded photos. To resolve photo verification issues, ensure you have good lighting when taking the photos. Clean the card's surface to remove any dirt or fingerprints, and hold your phone steady to avoid blurry images. The third common error is account verification required. This means your DoorDash account needs additional verification before the Red Card can be activated. To fix account verification issues, complete your background check process if it's still pending. Also, verify that your email address and phone number are confirmed in your account settings. Finally, there are several account-related issues that can block Red Card activation entirely. These include suspended accounts, address mismatches, or incomplete onboarding processes. If you encounter any of these blocking issues, contact DoorDash support directly through the app or website. They can help resolve account status problems and guide you through completing any missing verification steps.